What's up, guys? Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. So today we're going to be looking at NVIDIA's stock. Recently had one of my members of my community ask me about it, and so I'm going to do a monthly analysis. This will be from September to October 2024. So let's hop in. Okay, here we are on the monthly chart, and I just want to take a second to thank you guys for liking and subscribing. Okay, guys, so last month we had a doji candle here, and right now we have an inside reversal bar forming. So it looks like right now NVIDIA has formed a top. Now this was back in June here, and it looks like we are now on a retracement. However, as you can see, price is still above the Tenkan-sen, but the Kijun-sen is starting to flatten out, and so that's telling us that we could have a possible retracement back down to this level. So we're going to need to watch the wick here. This wick from last month's candle is at $90.69. So if we close below that, that's a good sign that we're going to have a reversal back down. Now, let's see. So right now, this was, on my Elliott wave count, this was a wave 5, and it's hit this Ganfan line here, which is the 1 to 2 angle. And so every time price hits one of these angles, or a support and resistance level, price and time become balanced, and it's most likely to reverse in the opposite direction. Now, let's take a look at our indicators. So on the stochastic, we're getting a death cross, and it looks like we're getting some bearish divergence here on the LTI. So in my opinion, these are showing us that we could be seeing this retracement continue on. Now, guys, for my first target for my retracements levels, this is going to be at the Kijun-sen, which is $75.92, and that's showing also some support on this Gan angle, the 1 to 1. Now, oh, sorry, I said this was wave 5. This is this is wave 3, and then this is going to be wave 4, and then 5. So I'm expecting a double top on this, but in the meantime, let's look at the weekly chart. Okay, guys, so on the weekly, let's clean this up. You can see we have a double top and a W wave here and a lower high. So this is not a good sign for the bullish trend continuation right now. We have 5 lines flat, Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, Senko span A and B are all flat. Wave 3 ended, and we're in the wave 4 correction right now. So let's see, let me turn the drawings back on. So like I said, I'm going to be looking for the correction, and we could see, so this is the support level, $90.69. And then I said that we're going to be looking for a correction down to the $75.79 level. Right now, guys, in terms of time cycle analysis, you can see here that we've just reached this zone, which is the Henka B, which means day of change, or when price and time become equal and balanced. So this is why we're starting to get this retracement here. Now, I do expect this Ganfan angle to hold as some resistance, but if we close price below this level, then we could be dropping further down to this angle here. Now, let's take a look at stochastic. So stochastic is overbought, and we just had a death cross. So I'm expecting this to be traveling back down into the sweet spot here, and same with the LTI. We just turned blue on the Gray Rabbit LTI indicator, and now it's heading back down to the bottom level here. So here you can see that a little bit better. There you go. So just turned blue. So overall, guys, just to summarize, expect a retracement back down. This could be heading into February 2025 right now based on these time cycles. And then I'm expecting price to continue back up for some sort of double top before ultimately correcting much harder and much further down, possibly even back down to these support levels here, $34 and $7. But in the meantime, short to medium term, this is going to be our target. That's $75.79. Now, guys, let's move on to a bit of fundamental news. All right, guys, here is an article I found from MSN.com. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang sold 580 million of stock. How much more can he sell? This was written about a week ago. Today is the 7th of September. And let me just say, so NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has sold millions of shares for more than $500 million so far this year. His trading plan provides for more stock to sell, but it hasn't executed any sales in weeks. Wang has sold a total of 4.8 million NVIDIA shares for $580 million over nearly every trading day from June 14th to August 9th. The transactions were made through a so-called Rule 10b5-1 trading plan that Wang adopted in March. So guys, I'll let you read the rest of this. I'm going to put the link in the description below. But I thought it was interesting because I have been hearing that a lot of the executives and insiders of NVIDIA were selling pretty heavily this summer. And that really goes well with the chart because, we saw the chart basically top out towards the end of June. So, you can see that there's been some heavy selling in this stock. Now, just one other thing I found that was pretty funny. I'll show you guys. So here's just a little meme that I posted. You might not know when NVIDIA has reached the top, but there will be signs. And this is the CEO of NVIDIA signing some lease. So I think, I don't know how scientific this is for predicting market moves, but this could be a good fundamental news for predicting the top of NVIDIA. So keep that in mind, guys. And as always, thank you so much for liking and subscribing. If you want to learn more about trading and my strategy, feel free to join my Discord community. I'll put a link in the description below. And there you can find my free trading strategy PDF. But until next month, guys, thank you so much and peace.